So we did a little bit of extra work, like putting up our pig sign that our friend got us. We like it because it's like lipstick on a pig.
Yeah, maybe we'll paint some lipstick on her.
We've considered it.
It's cute. And that's basically what the shack is. Everything we do to the shack is like putting lipstick on a pig.
That's kind of been the motto of all our renovations.
Okay, so we want that like that. And then it's got to go basically the depth of this, right? Yeah, pretty much. Right to the end. Ooh, we haven't had to use a sawzall yet. This is going to be fun. We'll bring it over here. Ooh, having a sawzall, man.
Can Bear get at it?
No, Reg probably. Love you, Adam. Guess we need a vise up here. We're going to be doing vise work. What is it? Just silly. Oh, really? No vice grips, no nothing. That's not gonna work. I hate not having tools here. It's like drives me crazy. This is bad, man. This is very bad, eh?
So we finished the east wall, which we had left before. We fixed that up so that it was one consistent run instead of being... It's still patchwork, but less patchy looking. Yeah. A lot better. Even I haven't cleaned up yet, but the whole main floor is now sided. Not bad. And yesterday we also pulled out the big fireplace from out of here. Oh my god! And brought in the little fireplace, which is actually going to be what we use in here. That one our friend gave us. And we've already fired it, so it's all ready to go. Just needs to be like put back together and installed with chimney, which we don't have parts for yet. Oh, Bear, why so cute? Why so cute? Mickey. And then the main thing was we cleaned up the sea can. So we got a bunch of foam, which I have a picture. I'll show you a picture of Lindsay hauling it up here. We had to rent a trailer for it because it just wouldn't fit in the truck. But just a whole bunch of rigid foam, and that's going to end up insulating our shack. And then we decided, since we have the trailer, we're leaving this guy here again for another week. We're going to take all our metal scraps and dispose of them at a free metal drop-off, since we can do that. Yay. Yay.
This is a bit overkill. That's sharp.
But we're limited.
We're pretty limited right now. Really, I should have left that grinder in there. I don't know if I got a file. How am I going to file it?
No, we have the file. We have the crappy file that just keeps coming in handy. Oh, we finally cut the flaps off too. Hooray! The flaps are gone. Still hideous. But we're working on it from the ground up. This is the ramp we used to get the fireplace down. I didn't think it was going to be such an ordeal, so I didn't film any of it. But then it turned out to be quite the ordeal. And we had a massive day of work yesterday just doing the unloading and the moving of the fireplaces. Could have had a whole episode for how long it took.
I could have. Where's the bastard? No. The bastard file.
This is a file that we just found here. It's all ruined and there's no handle left. But it just keeps coming in handy.
Holy jeez.
Keeps coming in handy.
Angry file, bud.
What's happening?
Hopefully the other piece is longer.
Was
maybe
that
I marked it the wrong way.
Was that the piece you wanted to keep?
Maybe. Just keep on screwing. think that might have been the piece. Getting old is so fun. So fun. How come you're not turning? Did I do that wrong? Yes. So
you have to install the other thing upside down? This handle only goes one way?
this only goes one way. So
Well, that doesn't
that ain't gonna
work.
for us.
No, so we'll just put it in upside down.
No, hold on. There's a thing. You can change this. Let's see on there. Because I swear I'd have to do this for the gate too. On
No,
gate,
it's on the inside.
No, that's right. On the
We have this latch at home.
modern design, two-sided operation.
Yeah, all the installs even show it being the way that it is at home.
I feel like you can change it though. But how would you do that? This can't be on this side.
That's the side it belongs on, but how do you get your hook that you hook into to work?
You'd have to like notch that out or something.
Yeah, so then just do it upside down so then the hook sits upside down instead of the way it should.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Like so.
So that's going to be upside down and it hooks into it up.
Into it up. Okay,
Yeah.
let's try that.
We're only fighting the wind here. It's not like it's going to keep bears and people out.
Bears and people. So it's gonna be.
Yeah, so then this thing's... I guess we'll have to put it on back. How do you put that on?
You gotta be like.
Oh, like that.
inside.
Yeah, so it'll be like that, upside down.
Okay. Should work, right?
That should. There's no reason that shouldn't work. It's just a little weird. You're turning the handle opposite to what you normally turn it.
Something like that. And we can kind of. Guess I can mark the bottom.
Can you open the thing and get around me?
No, I think I'll just go like this. Let's make sure that shuts before I put the other screw in.
Ooh la la.
Latchy?
Latchy latchy.
It's a little stupid you gotta lift up, but kind of.
Oh yeah, that side's stiff.
It's kind of dumb.
Yeah. We'll just give it some time. Maybe it'll...
At least it.
Yeah, it pulls. You can pull it shut.
Sweet.
Yeah, that works. Doesn't matter that it's upside down.
Let's see if it hits now.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Close.
You close you first. Make sure it doesn't hit. Perfect. Oh, I also forgot to say, last weekend that we were up here, somebody was giving away a bunch of free books. So we got some free books. I don't really know what this one is. I don't know what that's about. But fun. This one suits our shack, so I picked it up.
Okay. You can clean up, get some supper, right?
Looks good.
Oh, you gotta really actually swing it.
Yay. Cleaning up the scrap metal.
Lots of carnivals over here too.
Chairs.
There's definitely some
Is
old
this
chairs.
old?
No, I think that's part of it.
Yeah, that's just something else. That's a shame we didn't notice that when we did the other. Oh, we have a theory. I don't know if I've shared this before, that the previous owner used to buy furniture, wood furniture, just to burn it. I don't think he understood that he lived in a forest and that he could just pull a dead piece of wood out of the forest to burn. But the amount of furniture parts that have been burnt, it's wild.
Yep. Lots of chairs.
Lots of chairs.
look out, buddy.
Watch out, Nicky.
Watch out, Mom's coming through with a stab.